Hey y'all, couple agrarians here. It is raining and we're gonna see if we can make do with this rain and see what we can get into. We're finally going to mill the cedar that we cut down on the back of our property a couple weeks ago. And when we get it milled, then we can start making our raised beds, planter boxes in our front and backyard. So I'm really excited to see this and what it's gonna look like after it's milled, and Bryce is gonna help me. He's pulling the tractor over right now, and here we go. Alright, so we got him in here by the sawmill and he's parking the tractor. We're gonna see how much wood we can get out of these two big cedar logs. They look awesome. If you can see that one and this one. I'm excited to see what they look like when we start cutting into them.
That's why you got to clean out your log before you mill. All it takes is a little bit of that dirt and one of those rocks and it'll ruin your entire day of milling. So just grab you a junky little stick that you find laying around the farm, scrape out all those knot holes like that right there, get all those rocks and that dirt out of there, and you'll have a long time with that sawmill blade. Look at all this
pink cedar dust. It is so pretty. I don't think I've ever been this excited about milling a log before in my entire life. But just look at all the color from the cedar. I mean, it's beautiful. I can't wait to turn this into a couple of planter boxes in our yards for the spring. Cannot wait, cannot wait, cannot wait, cannot wait. Hey, thanks for your help today.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited!